Network marketing, or multi-level marketing MLM, is a marketing strategy where individuals sell products and often recruit others to also sell products. These individuals then receive commissions on their sales as well as the sales of the people they recruited. One of the biggest benefits of network marketing is the flexible hours. You have control over your schedule and can work whenever and wherever you want. Additionally, you have the potential to earn residual income, which means you can earn money even when you're not actively working. The startup costs are often low, making it an accessible way to start your own business. One of the biggest challenges of network marketing is its reputation. Some people view it as a pyramid scheme or scam, which can make it difficult to recruit or sell products. Additionally, there is often a high turnover rate among distributors. Finally, success in network marketing requires self-motivation and a willingness to put in the work to build your business. Ultimately, whether network marketing is right for you depends on your goals, personality, and values. If you're looking for flexibility and the potential to earn income while helping others, it may be a good fit. However, if you're not comfortable with recruiting or selling products, or if you're wary of the reputation of network marketing, it may not be the right choice for you.